Instagram, Facebook before my battery dies. I recommend using the Proxybrush. How do you keep your teeth clean during the day? Use the Proxybrush. In the old days, it should be cooked like a handle and used to put the brush in. Now you can just put it in your pocket, use a bottle of water, use the mirror in your car to keep your teeth clean. I'm going to go see the doctor tomorrow, so I'll let you know how good this works. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. I've been going to dentists for over 35 years, since I was a sophomore in high school. I've been going to dentists longer than some of these dentists have been alive. Before there were needles and all kind of technology, so I can help you. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Let me help you keep your teeth clean, because you don't want to look old like you have crack or something like that. So subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Let me know what you think. I have a newsletter coming. Let me know what you want to know about the dental. I can help you anything from surgery to braces to bone marrow transplants for the teeth. I've done it all. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Let me see what you have to think about keeping those teeth clean.